Hi, I'm Nicholas Hay, founder and director of Finomatic Consulting, and today I wanted to record a quick demo video covering one of the questions we get asked a lot from investors and prospective clients, which is, what do your solutions look like? So all of the models and solutions we build for our clients are completely bespoke, but we do have a lot of clients in the software space. And so we built a file here which is just a demo file for a typical software company. All the metrics you see here are grouped up into categories according to how investors tend to analyze SaaS businesses. So we work very closely with these investors on how they analyze potential opportunities and also existing portfolio companies. So here at the top you can just see a summary of some key information from the revenue by customer section, and also from the financial statements. And then the metrics broken out into these four different categories: ARR growth rate, retention, retention metrics, and then expense ratios as a percentage of revenue. And then further down here, getting into more of the stats concerning FTEs. And then here, the sales efficiency focusing on unit economics with the LTV to CAC ratio, and then sales efficiency also with SaaS magic number, which is a very important one. And also this KPI tab is dynamic, so you can change the date. So if you wanted to view September numbers, for example, then everything would flip to September. Just press calculate now, so the graph updates. You can see, I'll flip it back to December for a second. But you can see that also on the right, we've got a section where you can select a metric, and that's going to update the graph, so you can see how the values have trended over time. So taking the example of net retention here, you've got 94%, which is December 2022. So that represents there 94%, and then 91 in December 2023. So that's there. And these lines indicate average or good scores. So in this case, you can see that it's always hovered around that average mark. So that's what that's saying here. A question that always gets raised is, how are you defining and calculating these metrics? So we've got that in there. And then again here you can see the 94, 91. And then if I take another example, gross profit per FTE, for example, then you can see the graph updates accordingly. And here you can see the 86. So let me just demonstrate that. So 86, December 22. So that's the same numbers there. And then down here you've got the graph which updates as well. So 86 through to 78. And you can see that's always trended in the good category. So this is one tab that most the people will spend the most time on while they're analysing the solutions. Thank you very much.